Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Strawberry Shortcake from Berry in the Big City. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eyes, starting with the right side. On the right, let's draw a curve up here and back down. Now let's thicken this line up slightly like this. Now on the outside, we're going to draw 3 eyelashes with pointed curves. Now from the inside, let's extend that line down slightly like this. Now from the outside, let's curve it down and back in for the bottom of the eye. Next, inside the eye, let's draw a large circle. And then inside on the top left, another oval shape here. And then a black circle in the center. Let's draw the left eye now. Let's move over to the left side and draw a curve for the top of the eye. And then thicken it up slightly. Next, let's add the eyelashes on the outside. Now let's draw the shape of the eye. On the inside, let's extend it down slightly. And now move over to the left side and draw the bottom of the eye. Next, let's draw a circle inside the eye. And then an oval inside in the top left. And again, a black circle in the center. Next, let's draw the eyebrows with curves above the eyes. And then thicken them up slightly towards the center. Let's draw the shape of the face next. On the right side, let's draw a curve here down next to the eye. And then from the bottom, let's curve it out and back down like this. And then another angle on the left side for the other side of the chin. Let's add the nose next. Inside, underneath the center of the eyes, let's draw a curve up and back down. Next, let's add the mouth underneath. Let's start with the curve across. And then a U-shaped curve underneath. Next, inside, let's draw a curve at the top for the teeth. And then a curve in the bottom left for the tongue. And lastly, for the face, let's add some freckles. Let's add 3 dots above the nose here. And then 4 dots on either cheek. Next, let's draw her hat and her hair. Above the head here, let's leave a gap and we're going to draw a curve upwards on an angle. Now underneath on the left side, let's draw a long curve down here. And then a curve next to it coming to a point. Now on the left side of this, let's draw the ear with the curve here. And then add one more curve inside the ear. Next, inside this piece of hair, let's draw another curved line down the center like this, and then another curve on the top left. Let's draw her bangs next. Above her left eye, let's draw a curve down, over, and then back down on the outside. And now from the top of the hat line, let's draw a curve to close it off. Next, inside her bangs, let's draw two wavy curves across. Let's finish drawing her hat next. On the bottom left, let's draw a small curve here. Now let's hop back over to the right side and we're going to draw a curve all the way up and then back down, stopping here. Now for the end of the hat, let's draw a line out, curve it down and back up, and then one more smaller curve in. And now at the end here, let's draw two curves like this. And lastly, inside the hat, let's draw some seeds. And lastly, for the face, let's add her other ear on the right side next to that face. And that's it for the head for now. We'll come back and finish the hair after we finish the body. Let's start on her body now. Underneath the center of the head, let's draw two lines down. And then at the top, we're going to draw two angled lines for the collar of her jacket. Next, let's draw her shoulders with angles out on the left and on the right. And then angle each side in. And now let's bring each side down for the outside of the jacket. And now let's connect the lines at the bottom. Next, inside, let's draw one more curve at the bottom of each side of the jacket. And now on either side, let's step in slightly and we're going to draw curves down and out. And then a curve across the bottom to connect the lines. Next, inside, underneath her neck, let's draw the top of her shirt with a curve across in between the jacket. And then underneath, a line across. Next, let's draw the strawberry logo on her shirt. Let's start with 4 bumps, like this. And next, the shape of the strawberry with a heart shape, like this. Okay, next let's draw the arms. Let's start on the right shoulder and we're going to draw a diagonal line down. And then another one below it here. Now let's draw the end of the jacket with a rectangle. And now let's do the same thing on the left side. Let's draw the hands next. Let's start with a small diagonal line down here on both sides. And then from the inside, we're going to draw a curve out, back in, and up for the thumb. And the same thing on the left. Now let's add 4 fingers on either hand like this. Next, for the top part of the body, let's add her strawberry purse. Let's start on the bottom left here and draw the shape of the purse, with a rounded triangle shape. Next, erase any of the lines that are inside the purse. Next, let's add the strawberry pattern inside. We're going to draw a curve up here, then down, and then back up to the top. And lastly, add some seeds inside like this. Next, for the purse, let's add the straps. Above it, let's draw a diagonal line up to the side of the body here. And then we're going to draw 2 lines starting from the right collar all the way down. And then let's erase that jacket line inside the strap. And that's it for her upper body. Let's draw her legs next. Underneath, let's draw 2 straight lines down. Next, let's draw the outside of the legs with diagonal lines down, stopping about 2/3 of the way down. Next, on either leg, let's draw 5 curved lines. Let's draw the shoe next. Let's start with the tongue of the shoe by drawing a large curve up and back down on the outside of each leg. Next, on the inside, let's draw a curve across for the top of the shoe. Now from the outside of the tongue, let's draw a curved line out and then down for the top of the shoe. And the same thing on the right side. And then curves at the bottom to close off the feet. Next, let's finish off the details inside. Along the bottom of each foot, let's draw an extra curve. And then a curved bent line under each tongue. Next, along the back inside of each shoe, let's draw a strawberry. Let's start with 2 curves here for the leaves, and then half a heart shape for the strawberry. Next, let's draw 3 curves across each of the tongues of the shoe. And lastly, for each shoe, let's draw the shoelaces. Start with a small triangle shape here, and then a larger triangle going down on either side. And then one more inside each one. Then erase any of the overlapping lines inside the laces. And that's it for her body. Lastly, let's finish off her hair. On the left side, let's start at her hat, and we're going to draw a curved line down, out, and back into her leg. Then let's hop over to the right side and we're going to draw a curve behind her ear all the way down to her arm. Then let's continue that line under her hand and curve it out and back up, and then one more curve into her body. Next, let's add curve lines inside the hair like this. And that's it for Strawberry Shortcake. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!